Your pasta looks perfect, but the taste feels empty and weak. And the problem starts before the sauce even touches it. Most people think salt is optional or just a small detail. But in reality, it's one of the most important steps. Restaurants don't guess salt, they control it precisely every time. When pasta cooks, it absorbs water from the pot. If that water has no salt, the pasta absorbs nothing but plain water. That means flavor is already lost before you even start. At home, people add a pinch of salt and think it's enough. But that amount changes nothing inside the pasta. Chefs use a completely different approach, and it makes all the difference. They treat pasta water like the sea, not like a soup. This doesn't mean extremely salty, but properly seasoned. When pasta cooks in salted water, it absorbs flavor from the inside. This creates depth that sauce alone cannot fix. Another common mistake is adding salt too late. If you add salt after water is already boiling strongly, it dissolves unevenly. Some pasta absorbs flavor, other parts stay bland. Restaurants always salt water early before pasta goes in. This ensures even distribution and consistent flavor. There is also a quantity problem. Too little salt does nothing, too much destroys balance. Chefs use ratios, not guesswork. At home, people rely on instinct, and results are inconsistent. Restaurants measure, and results are repeatable. Another mistake is trying to fix bland pasta with sauce. But sauce works on the outside, not inside. If the base has no flavor, the final result will always feel flat. Even expensive ingredients cannot fix this. Flavor must start inside the pasta itself. This is why restaurant pasta tastes deeper and more complete. Not because of secret ingredients, but because of correct fundamentals. If you fix this one step, everything else becomes easier. Next time, salt your water properly and do it early. Let pasta absorb flavor from the start. Do this once and your pasta will never taste empty again.